Okay guys, so for today's classwork, what we're going to do is this is the assignment that I set you last week. If we click on it, okay, it's an editable copy, so you should have been able to edit the instructions. Okay, what you can do is if you scroll down to your work, okay, so we should have done the problem. We got the design brief, and we've got the mind map that we're going to do. So this is the mind map. Okay, what we need to do is mind map everything that you can over here. All right, so what we're trying to do, you should have created your mind map, so it's everything to do with a pop-up book. Okay, so what type of theme, what kind of mechanism and characters, storyline, those sort of stuff that you want to mention, that's what we want to put on here. Okay, so what you do next is, let me just open this so we can change the document. Okay, so we've got this, and I think this is the same view that you get. Okay, so you can do it in Teams. What we want to do is we're going to add a new slide. Okay, so we're going to come up with a story for our book. Okay, so before we can do that, we're going to add a new slide, and the first slide we want is title and content. So we're going to add that in. Okay, add slide. Okay, so you've got to take some of your ideas and make it into a story. So what theme do we want? Okay, and then what I want you to do is I want you to list the themes that you want to do. Okay, so it could be uh, anything to do with Disney. Yeah, and then if it's Disney, list all the Disney themes that you want to do, or if it's to do with a particular subject, okay, it could be science or computing on how to do something. Okay, whatever you decide to do, whatever type of book you want to do, okay, whether it's informative or it's a story, yeah, or if it's fiction, non-fiction, yeah, that's up to you. So what we want to do is we want to plan it out on this stage. Once you've planned it out, now we need a story book. Okay, and what we're going to do is once you've done that, is you're going to add another slide. So you're going to do it to content slide. You're going to add that. Okay, and that's the next slide. So we'll call this page 1. Okay, so we're doing a 6 page pop-up book. Okay, so if this is the first page, you're going to write your first part of the story here. So imagine that these are your pages. First part of the story here, and then here we're going to add some detail later on what type of pop-up that you're going to put up, and some drawings. Okay, so you're going to draw a page for this first page, then the second page, and then so on. Don't do the drawing yet, because there's a little twist to it. Okay, you got to learn the pop-ups, which is the next part. So once we've done the 6 pages, then we can start learning the pop-ups. Once you've learned the pop-ups, like we did, like in the video, you can assign a pop-up to a page. That's the task today. So the task today is to plan our book and then do a 6 page storyboard for your book. And what I want you to do is I want you to add it to the current slideshow that we've got. Okay, and it already saves. Okay, that's it.